Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Well, today I want to know for last 3 days what you were doing in school. What did you learn? What happened all these days?
Yeah, it was kind of a lot of fun. In school, I used to reach there early, like 7:30 or 7:40.
I can't believe it. How can you reach there early?
Yeah, I don't know how, but I can't believe myself as well. So I had a lot of fun. I went to school, had some study, but the best thing was we had P period. Means sports period. Matlab, physical education period.
What is the first period you're talking about? The P period? You should start with the first periods.
Okay, so every day with first period is science. And that day, on the first day, I can't remember exactly if teacher was absent or present.
You should say on that day, not at that day.
Okay, but I can tell you, I think I learned those things. Teacher told us about heart, about how heart, just like how the blood circulates in our body because of heart, because of blood vessels, how white blood cells and red blood cells work with each other, what are bacteria, and how do they affect us, how do a fly egg distracts and makes the body weak, all those things. And
So how does heart work? Let me see. You remember or not what you learned?
Blood, like when it contracts and relaxes. From a type of a blood vessel, deoxygenated blood comes in, and the heart pumps the blood with oxygenated blood.
Okay.
And then the body travels into the body. The blood travels into the body through the blood vessels and the whole through the veins, and the whole body gets the blood they need. And the second period, I can't remember that, but I think it was maths period.
What are you talking? Which day you are talking about? I'm asking about all these 3 days.
3 days. I'm talking about the first day.
Okay.
So the first day was Thursday, as you know. So the second period was of maths. We learned about angles, vertically opposite angles. Means if there is an angle, the whole opposite of the angle will be the same degrees. Like take a 180 angle as an example. The one side of the 180 angle is 90 degrees. So the second side will be also 90 degrees. If we add them both up, 180 degrees. And many shapes like triangles, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, and 340 degrees, all those things. We learned all those things. And the third period was also maths, club period.
Keep talking about teachers. How did they deal with you? And
They're always good. They deal good with us. And the third period was also maths. So they were also very good with us, quite friendly with us. And we had a lot of fun. And then it was break. After having break, it was the fourth period.
What happened in the break?
The break is that we eat lunch. There's nothing more to tell you about it.
And no fun with the friends and the hanging
Because
out?
you see, now the rule is you can't get up from the carpet until you... And if you even get up, you are not allowed to play. You are not even allowed to walk on the ground.
Okay.
That's really bad.
Okay.
And the fourth period was...
Before going into the fourth period, let's start second episode of this video. Say bye. Meet another episode.
Matlab, the second